What's up, Wolfpack? I'm sure everyone recognizes our Wolfie. He's here to welcome you to the WolfPack Wisdom video channel. This channel is for students, by students. Our goal is to share some WolfPack wisdom to help during your journey at Madison College. Check out our playlist to see all the videos we have.
Our What's Up WolfPack videos will cover services the college offers, as well as tips and tricks to help you along the way. Check out our How to Use My Madison College videos for tutorials and demos on how to access and use your student portal for registration, monitoring your degree progress, and more.
The Madison College Knowledge playlist has videos about other college systems like Navigate, our student success platform, and more. We've partnered with other areas of the college to host their videos as well. Watch the 2-minute tutor coaching sessions from the Writing Center. Check out all the Center for International Education has to offer and connect with our Transfer Center. We have over 150 videos on the channel, all produced by Madison College students for other students.
What's that, Wolfie? Oh yeah, we're Student News and WolfPack Connect for our contest to win gift cards and other awesome prizes. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out any of our new videos. Enjoy the channel and tell your friends about WolfPack Wisdom.